Welcome back. So, in this lecture, we are going to create our Spring Boot project. So, I generally prefer to download the project from the starter files. So, that is a Spring official website. So, I will just open the browser. I'll start typing start.spring.io, and this is the Spring initializer. So, I am going to create one Spring Boot projects. So I'll consider it a man project Java, and I'm going to use Spring Boot version 3.1.3, right? And I'll give com.learning next, and that will be user management, right? I'll give some name to this. That will be demo project for user management, and I just want to give without security. Okay, first I'll see how this flow will went, and then I'll add the security, then we see how it is working, right? And I'll simply remove this. Okay, that will be the jar file, and Java I'm using 17, but you are free to use 8, 11 or 17, anyone. Let me add web dependency. Then I will use dev tool, which is used to reload the things, whatever changes we are making, so make it development faster. And then I use Lombok just to remove the boilerplate code, like writing the getter setter of the entities. Okay, so I think that is enough, and I'll simply click on generate. This will download this file, so I'll go and the document, let me select from here, and I'll save here. Okay, so this is now downloaded. Let me open the file, and I will simply extract it, and I'll just move to the bin. Okay, so now I'm going to use my IDE, and my preferable IDE here I'm going to use is, I mean, you can use anyone, but I used to prefer this IntelliJ IDEA. So you can download this from the internet, the community version, which don't need any license, and for the development perspective it is fine. It gives all the features, right? So let me click on this. So once you get this screen, so you have to open the project that you have downloaded. So I will click on open, and I'll go in my document, developer with me, and I'll select this project, right? So once I'll open it, it will ask whether you trust this folder. Yes, I trust this project. Now all the dependency that you have added in the POM file, that will get downloaded, so it might take some time. So I'm going to pause this video for a second, so that all the download should be completed. If you can see here, it's all the things are getting downloaded, right? So now every download is finished, so every dependency has been downloaded. I'll open my project. I'll go in the pom.xml file. So if you see here, all the dependency has been downloaded now: web dependency, dev tool, and Lombok. Okay, and just to check, you can check your all the project structure. It should be okay. Every Java version has to be selected, like what version you are using. Okay, you select the SDK. Since I'm having only one version installed on my machine, that is 17, so it is already there, and all the library, everything is there. Okay, and this is my projects related dependencies and SDKs, right? So okay, it's done now. So since I have not added anything in that, so it will simply, if I start it, the main class, it will run. So let me go in the Java. This is my main class. I will simply go here and run this application. Okay, so it is saying that something is already in use, means my the port 8080, this is a default port, is already in use. Okay, so if you are facing this kind of issue, so just go in the application.properties, just give some other port to run. 8081 I am giving. Okay, I'll save this and rerun the application again. So it should start it, I expect that. Oh my god, this is already in use. Let me then take 8082. Now it should run. Yes, you see that now Tomcat is started on this port. Well, so for in your case it may be 8080 or 8081, whatever port you prefer, you can take it. By default it is the Tomcat is to take 8080. Okay, I'll close this file now. Okay, so now this is the basic application where just I have set up my development environment. So in the next section I am going to create one controller class. I'll write some simple APIs and I'll try to access that APIs without giving any authentication object or without giving any username or password, right? So let's see that in the next section. Until then, bye.